I am so full of these feelings that tell me every which way. I am so full of you. I am so full of me. I am so full of these words that don't tell anything. I am so full of love. I am so full of hate. I am so full of these feelings that tell me every which way. That I opened up my mouth from my cloud, and these words I said them come out. When I looked into her eyes, I couldn't help to wonder why she brought her God was supposed to around. When I feel it start to say goodbye to fear, and you tearing out these tears as they run down my face. I can feel her so far away. 'Cause I am alive, and I am so So don't you come and gather around me in tears. I sit on home and feel the sun stays. I should gently much a little every day. I go on we're remaining unfazed. When I feel there's something coming out of me, I just say courage in the moonlight. These motherfuckers stepped on me, tried to fuck me from behind. 'Cause I am so full of hate. I am